Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my planner lineup video. I know that I have promised this on my IG stories and IG feeds. Make sure that you are following me over on Instagram so that you can see all my planner goodies on my feeds. So here I'm just showing you the planners that I am currently using since the beginning of July. And as you can see, I have a lot. I have 7 planners that I am using, and I am a planner addict. Yes, I am. Planning is a hobby for me, specifically creative planning. And here I have my Hobonichi Weeks Mega, which I am now using as my weekly journal, just so I can see what happened in the week. Any thoughts and feelings that I have for that week will go down into this planner. Next, I have my Skinny Mini Happy Planner, and this is my week at a glance. So if ever I'm scheduling anything, it will go into this planner, and it's very useful and it's very handy because it's pretty tiny. I don't put a lot of details on here because I do have other planners for that, but it's just nice to have 1 week at a glance when you open one planner. And then I also have my kikki.k study planner, which is just my academics. And unfortunately, this planner doesn't have any bookmarks, so I had to resort to some page flags from Typo. Pretty neat. But this is very useful for me because it just organizes all the things that I need to do for my academics. It's divided into different blocks, which is great if you are blocking your time. But I just do it for the topics, different topics. Next is my most used planner. This is the first planner that I open in the day, in the morning, and it just helps to balance out my mind, dump all the things on this page. It's very useful, very light, very compact, and this is actually bendy, so it's easy to carry around. If I am going out, this is the one planner that I will carry. I also have my Bujo, which is the Typo A5 dot grid journal, and this is pretty useful, very inexpensive, and it has good pages, thick, it doesn't have a lot of bleed through. It is dot grid, which is, I found out, really not my favorite, but the only things that are on here are my YouTube to-dos. So they all go in this planner. Next I have my kikki.k family planner, which has my household schedule, so I do co-live with other people, not just my husband, and it's great to have everybody's schedule and everybody's chores that needed to be done and to buys for shared things on one planner. I like to divide different things into different planners, but I do have one catch-all, which is my classic happy planner. So this is the biggest planner that I have, and all the events that happen on the day or on different days for the entire week goes on this planner. So I only use it for memory keeping, which is something that I do at the end of every week, just so I'd be able to organize my memories better. And it's pretty handy too if you're looking back on things. So those are the planners that I have. Mind that you don't really need to have this many planners in your life, but I do have a lot of different projects and different areas in my life that I want to focus on, and I'd like to have a different planner for each of those. I hope you got something good from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.